This technique will work with most car wires. What you want to do is take your wire stripper, find the correct gauge on your wire stripper. Now take the excess coating from the wire, find the gauge, and strip. As you can see, strip it off. Now it leaves the copper wire, twist it, get it nice and tight. Now go to the other wire that you want to connect. Again, find the correct gauge, strip and twist.
Just bring the whole thing over.
Mm-hmm.
And we start them about in the center, and then wrap one this way and one that way. That way, when it's together, it won't come apart. We can pull on it.
Yep.
Pull apart to get fixed. So now, you need the tape. Did you grab it?
Yep. Electrical tape.
Like I said, if I was going to fix it in the shop, I would put a piece of heat shrink on it.
Yep.
And not use electrical tape.
Right.
Because electrical tape, over time, it will unravel.
Okay.
But I put enough on it, so it's not going to matter.
Yep.
Putting in the electrical tape on that one wire to tape up a few wires if you had to. You know, you get an emergency.
Right. Yeah.
And then same another one, black one, this one. In the middle. Get them together. Get it together. Sure. There we go.
You just twist it nice and tight.
Yeah, best you can, you know. Then you can't pull them apart
Exactly.
when you do that like that.
And just cover up those
And,
little
you know,
wires.
You should take a soldering gun and solder it.
Right.
There's never going to be no pull on these wires. It's not going to come apart when it's twisted like that. Solder would be really overkill. That other connector, you know this connector, you're not going to have a problem, because when you have a dirty connector or a loose connector or a bad connector, it causes high resistance, and that's when you end up having problems.
And with these, all we did is we
Replace the bulb.
the bulb just turns, pops right out, and you put the new one in, and you turn it, put it right in, put your new pigtails back in, and just hook it up. And then when we reinstall, we simply just push these through these holes, and we lift up these latches.